Now we are entering to the forest area. This is Borsongao hill. You can see, friends. I am just showing you. This is Borsongao hill. We are entering. Our students are entering inside the forest now, including me also. River Tunia of Bongaigaon district. You can see Khonamui Pahar, Borsongao. Our Omrit Chingo, he is just showing how deep the river is. Para jabo. Yeah, go slowly in a line. Don't push anybody, okay? Line out, line out. Our boys, they are crossing the river Tunia. These are our campers. It's not so deep, just deep is still the knee level. चलो ऊपर जाओ सब लोग ऊपर में जाओ We are entering into the forest now. This is Borsongao forest. Our boys are just climbing up. We are just training them to develop their endurance, their strength. Already reached, some of the boys has reached up. পাহাড়ত এনেকে ডাইরেক্ট সিধা নুঠে এই কেরা বেকা হয়ে উলাব লাগে বেকা বেকি ক্রস করি জিগজাগ করি Hi friends, we reached the Borsongao hill now. Just top of the hill, not top of the hill, there are some big stones. Our students are still now, they are climbing up. This is the real trekking, just climbing up in the hill. It's a dry season. Today is 4th February 2021. We are having a trekking to the Borsongao hill, which is not so away from our camp. It is just 2 kilometers away from our camp. Our already the fittest boys. These are the fittest boys. They reached the top of the hill. Say hi to everybody. Hi. Come on, say boys. Very good, you all race. You have a very good stamina. Boys. सोनू इधर आके कैसा लगा सोनू? अच्छा लगा। क्लाइंबिंग करके अच्छा लगा? अच्छा लगा। थक गया क्या? नहीं थका है। ठीक है, चिंता मत करो, हम लोग लड्डू लाया है, ऑरेंज लाया है और क्या है कच्चा बूट लाया है, वो भी खाएगा अभी बैठ के। ठीक है, सबको आने दो, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो। विशाल से पूछो, विशाल आ रहा है। ये हमारा विशाल। यस, क्लैप फॉर हिम एवरीबॉडी। विशाल हैज रीच। विशाल इधर आओ। विशाल कैसा लगा इधर के कैंप में? अच्छा लगा है। और ये ऊपर में क्लाइंबिंग करके कैसा लगा पहाड़ का ऊपर में? अच्छा लगा है। अच्छा लगा है। हाँ। बढ़िया लगा है ना? आप तो अच्छा बन गया, हम जानता है। अच्छा हो गया ना? और ऊपर जाना है क्या? हाँ, और ऊपर जाना है। आपका हेयर दिखा तो, स्टूल दिखाओ। Yes, Vishal has given a nice taklu cut yesterday. We have given a haircut, so he has removed all his hairs. Very nice. Vishal, rest karo thoda beto. Sit down. Hi friends, this is Borsengao hill. We are now top of the hill, not reaching most top of the hill, just middle of the hill now. These are our students. We are just having a rest here for 2 minutes. After that again we will climb up now. So this is Borsengao hill. Today is 4th February. We are having a trekking to develop their stamina and all. So friends, just enjoy your life. This is our students. They are the super boys. We are making them super boys. From boys to making them super boys. They are learning karate. They are learning football, volleyball, kabaddi, athletics, doing yoga, doing exercises in the morning. So various activities they are performing. So they are becoming now a super boys. Okay friends, bye bye. Chalo. This is the best way to develop the stamina and the leg power also. Take care, Nirmal. Okay, sir. Yes, this is our Nirmal Brahma physical instructor, and he is coaching the volleyball, football to our students. This is the students captain, Dhruva Jyoti. He is the students captain. Come on, go up. This is wild bamboo. Wild bamboo. You can see the down view of the hill. You can see that Ponsopur hill. Day before yesterday we went there for a trekking, and today we are in Borsengao hill now. You can see the down view of the Borsengao. That is the Polytechnic. You can see the buildings here. This is Polytechnic. That is cricket ground. Our Vinod is climbing up. Biggest hill, rock. You can see friends, I am showing you this is top of the rock. We are not able to reach there because our children are so small. So this is the cap. We are going through a rock cap. चलो मैं सबसे लास्ट में जाएगा, धीरे धीरे जाओ आप लोग. निर्मल come slowly. তলত যোৱাটো একদম লাহে লাহে যাবা. হাই, it is very risky to go down. লাহে লাহে দিনত সেনেকে নহয় কৰিবি. দেখা ওই এখানে যা দেখা দেখা টুকুর লাগি বসাবি. লাহে লাহে হা, সেইকাৰণে কৈছো এতিয়া পাহাৰত গ্ৰিপ থকা জোতা লাগে ইয়াত. See friends, it is very risky to go down in the hill still, and it needs more fitness and leg power also. Our legs needs more power to climb the hill. चलो चलो बच्चे. साइड हो जाबा. It is very risky. गाड़ी रे बुकी दे दाला. Go down. एकदम लाहे लाहे जाबा दे. Go very slowly. It is very risky to go down. ठीक আছে. हिंदी को. This is whole gram boot, kesha boot. We are going to have during this refreshment time. We bought a boot, kesha boot. His captain, he is cutting the onion. Green chili is also here. You can see friends. हम होंगे कामयाब, होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन ओ मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। कामयाब होगा कि नहीं? तो कामयाब होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मेहनत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। तो मेहनत नहीं करेगा तो कामयाब कैसे होगा? जो लोग सोते रहते हैं रूम में बकराबाजी करते हैं, मेरा इधर डॉट है उधर वो है, वो लोग पीछे रहेगा और आप लोग ऊपर ले जाते तो ऊपर जाएगा। ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव, विल गो नाउ, कम ऑन, व्हाइल गोइंग डाउन गो वेरी स्लो। हाय फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग डाउन नाउ। सी माय बिहाइंड मी माय स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर। चलो बच्चों आ जाओ। It's a deep forest. We are top of the hill, going down now. Oh, very slippery. चल जाओ, तो डंडा कौन है? I will show you down also. This is a wild bamboo. You can see, friends. These are slightly different than others bamboos. This is completely wild bamboo. It is to grown up in the hill only. It's Borsengau hill in Bongaigaon district. We went the top of the hill, that big rock stair. Good. Hobo idea. Nodir pare pare goi thakile hol. We have reached our. We went at top of the hill. You can see, friends. That side. We went. Big rock is there. That is top of the hill. We went till there, and then we come back safely, very safely. My students, they already reached there. এই তাত গেছিল আমি মনে আছে না এই যে পাহাড় গেছিল মনে আছে এই যে হিলটো দেখিছা ইমান উপৰৰ হিলৰ পৰা আমি নামি নামি আহিলো friends, this is river Tunia river Bongaigaon. So we went top of the hill. This is Borsengau hill. We went top of the Borsengau hill and we are just coming down very safely. All the students, officials, we reach safely. Now we are crossing the Tunia river. After that our trekking will be closed. So we will reach our camp. So I hope if you like my channel, please share, subscribe my channel, and please motivate me that I can make a new videos for you. I can show you new places, new adventures in sports. So please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.